In this video, we are going to learn how to add fractions using fraction strips and number lines. We want to add 1/4 and 1/3. Here we have a fraction strip which shows 1/4. A quarter of the fraction strip is shaded in blue. That is 1/4. I'm going to take another fraction strip to show 1/3. Divided into 3, 1/3 is shaded in. We should know that to add fractions that don't have a common denominator, we need to find a common denominator. The common denominator between 1/4 and 1/3 is 12. So I'm going to take fraction strips that are divided into 12. If I line this one up over top here, I will see that 1/4 is going to be equal to 3. If I take 1/3 and line it up over top, I will know that 1/3 is going to be equal to 4. If I add those all together, I have 3 here, and I have 4 here. 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12. 1/3 is equivalent to 4/12. 3 plus 4 is 7. Remember, when we add fractions of common denominators, the common denominator will stay the same. It does not change. I'm only adding the top part of the fraction. Now, let's take a look at using a number line to show how to add fractions. We already know that 1/4 is equal to 3/12. My number line is divided into 12 equal sections. So I'm going to show 3/12 on my number line. 1, 2, 3. And this now 1/3 is equal to 4/12. 1, 2, 3, 4. To show 1/4 plus 1/3, I'm going to start with my 1/4, and I'm going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1/4. This is 1/3. This is also 3/12. This part is also 4/12. When I count up the number of spaces in total I have moved, it's 7. Let's practice this again. Let's review. Changing 1/4 and 1/3 so they each have a denominator of 12. I need to multiply the 4 by 3 to get 12. So I do that to this top number, 3. I need to multiply the 3 by 4 to get 12. So I also have to do that to the top number, the numerator. It becomes 4. Let's practice. Let's look at how to find a common denominator for 3/4 and 1/6. To multiply a number by 4 to get 12 would be 3. So I do that to the numerator. 3 times 3 is 9. To get 12, I multiply 6 by 2. Multiply the top number, the numerator, by 2. It becomes 2. Now I can add My fraction strip is divided into 12 equal sections because that is my common denominator. So I'm going to highlight 9/12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to highlight 2. 1, 2. This gives me a total of 11/12. Now it is your turn to practice. You're going to find a common denominator for 5 and 4. To help you out, look at the multiplication tables for 4 and 5 and find the first number that is common in both columns. That will be your common denominator. Show how you find that common denominator and then show it on a number line. You're also going to find a common denominator for 3 and 6 and show on a number line the answer when you add them. Good luck.